Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments. I love to read your comments every day, and I read every one of them. Y'all please share this video out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all know I need all the help I can get. Y'all, Steve Mnuchin said we are open to bigger stimulus package. That is good news. That means they can get more done with the HEALS Act, and maybe it won't be too long before they can come up with a bill if they're willing to compromise and make a bigger package. We just have to, like Mooch said, wait and see. As it appears now, the stimulus checks is a done deal. Now it's just when will they stop fighting over all the other stuff and just help the people, what they're paid to do, you know? Nancy Pelosi, Chuck Schumer, Stephen Mnuchin, Mark Meadows are going to have another meeting today. Let's hope it's better than 2 hours so they can get something done. I hope today is the day that they come up with a deal. Y'all, this is just a short video. If anything happens major in that meeting and I hear about it or read about it, I will make another video today, but if not, it'll be tomorrow morning. Please come back every morning at 6 a.m. No matter what, I'm going to have a video then. But when something happens that I think you want to know about, I'll make a second, maybe even a third video, just to keep y'all up to everything that's going on. Y'all, quick update on Amy. She is still doing wonderful. She's still just a little bit weak, but she's getting better. I've been doing everything for her, which I love doing. But this morning, she didn't give me time. She went in the kitchen and started heating up soup that I made yesterday. She's heating it up herself. So she's beginning to push herself a little bit more. So I'm watching her real close around the fire and the stove and everything. So, but she is doing better. She's getting stronger every day. She's still weak, but every day is an improvement. Y'all, thank you again for all your prayers that really pulled her through, and thank God above for answering every one of them. Y'all, please don't stop praying. I love you all, and I will make another video this afternoon if something major happens, but if not, I'll see you tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, leave your comments. I love reading them, and just know, I do love you all. You are my family. Ciao.